Hi everyone, I'm Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and this is a packing video. We are a mother-daughter travel team, and on this trip it's just me with my sister, my mom, and her friend Ellie, and we're going to go on a 5-day cruise on the Carnival Sunshine. So if you haven't followed our channel, Journey with the Gingers, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and follow along with us on our journeys. This packing video is going to be a little bit different, but it's going to be a lot of fun because I'm going to share with you a few things that I like to pack for a cruise. And we have a special guest at the end, and that's going to be Mimi, who is my mom, who is 80 years old, and she, with all of her humor, is going to share with you 5 things that she feels important for her to pack. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, at the very end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get a downloadable copy of our packing list for this 5-day cruise. So let's get started. I am definitely not a stingy person when it comes to packing. I do take a large suitcase because I like to pack not only my day clothes, which are some comfortable like shorts and different things like that, but also it's kind of chilly out of Charleston right now, so I'm going to pack some warmer clothes as well. Also, I have my clothes that I wear in the evening for dinner, and I like to dress up a little bit, so a big suitcase for me. And yes, I also do carry a small carry-on bag. The reason why I do this is because I carry a 12-pack of soda on the cruise ship, which that is allowed, and I also carry one 750 milliliter bottle of wine, which is also allowed, and I just put it in my carry-on because you can't check it in your luggage. And also, when the night before we get off the cruise ship, I do put my luggage out in the hallway, my big piece of luggage, and I like to put all my extra little things like my pajamas or whatever I had from the night before in my carry-on when I take it off the ship. One thing that I am definitely packing are some masks, because right now, February 2022 on Carnival, you have to wear a mask on the inside of the cruise ships. Of course, not in your stateroom, but in the inside public areas. I usually wear a cloth mask, but I think for this trip I'm going to take some disposable masks because we're wearing them so much and we don't have the ability, unless you use the laundry facility, to really wash off the cloth mask. So I'm going to take some disposable masks. These are from Amazon. They have the little wire things at the top that go around your nose, and that's what I'm going to take. I'm going to take a pack of those. When we arrive on the ship, there are many things. I feel like it seems like a lot of stuff that you have to take with you when you first get there. So I have printed out our boarding passes from Carnival, and I also have to take my vaccination card. And on your vaccination card, it has to list that you're fully vaccinated. Right now, boosters are not required. So on ours, it has the 2 doses, but we also have boosters on our cards. Also, you have to take a negative COVID test, and we are taking those tests 2 days before we get on the ship, and we'll print out those results. I know some people keep them on their phone, the results on the phone. I just like to print them out. Also, we have to take our passport. Some of you might bring a birth certificate. We have passports, so we're going to take that with us. So when we get to the terminal, we'll have our boarding passes, vaccination cards, negative COVID test results, and our identification, which is going to be our passports. Just because I like to be extra careful, I did purchase these luggage tags from Amazon. They're just sturdy. You can just slip your paperwork inside instead of just stapling it to the handle of your luggage. And it has these strong little hooks that you can screw onto your handle of your luggage. Just like to have these. They're not that expensive, and I found them on Amazon. As I said, you just make sure you look up, if you're on Carnival, you look up Carnival luggage tags, because we learned that Royal Caribbean luggage tags are more narrower. The day we board the ship, it's not only my sister's birthday, it's her birthday cruise, but it's also Valentine's Day. And so what we're going to do for our room steward is we're going to just pack him or her a goodie bag for Valentine's Day. So I just got some simple things like some Hershey Kisses and different candy, things you would give somebody for Valentine's Day because they might not have a Valentine on the ship. So we just want to make them understand that we know it's a special day for them as well, and make sure they feel a little bit of love on a special day. I don't know about where you live, but it has been cloudy and cold and sometimes quite rainy here in South Carolina this winter. And we're now going to get to go somewhere where there's lots of sun, hopefully. So make sure you're prepared for that. Of course, I packed some sunglasses, and honestly, I get my sunglasses from the Dollar Tree because I am the worst about taking care of my sunglasses. So if I accidentally leave them, you know, on the Lido deck or whatever, it's okay because they came from the Dollar Tree, and I take several pair. The next thing is definitely some sunscreen. I am a ginger. I have very fair skin, so I'm using 50 for my sunscreen. Make sure you bring it because it's a lot cheaper to bring it with you than to purchase it on the cruise ship. And finally, there may be a chance where you did get some sunburn and you definitely don't want to be miserable on your cruise. So take some after sun care lotion. This is a gel that has aloe in it. It also has some lidocaine in it for cooling purposes. Make sure you're prepared for that because I have gotten sunburn before, and it's nice to have something with you. And this is just a reminder that at the end of the video, I am going to tell you where you can download a copy of our packing list for this 5-day cruise, and we hope that you find it very valuable and helpful as you pack. So let's go on to the next item. Always pack a multi-plug adapter. You cannot take a surge protector, but you can take a multi-plug adapter. I always like this one because it has the USB plugs in it and also 3 outlets. And if you've been on a cruise ship, some cruise ships do not have a lot of outlets. And so I always carry this so that I can use my electronics. Also, I carry this little extension cord I got from the Dollar Tree, because sometimes I might want to charge my phone but have it closer to me, and sometimes the outlets are not close to the bed. So the newer ships do have USBs close to the bed, but I don't think the one we're going on does. Let's talk about what I'm taking to wear. So on our packing list, you'll see that I have resort casual outfits for dinner. And what I mean by that is I take a comfortable dress or comfortable pants and top outfit, something that doesn't wrinkle. There's a certain kind of material that I like. I like a simple wrap dress that doesn't wrinkle, and I can just put it in my suitcase and not have to worry about it. I also like to take, probably the first night, because it's going to be kind of chilly, is probably take a long sleeve shirt for dinner with pants, just because I know it's probably going to be chilly leaving Charleston. It's been so cold in the south lately. For daytime, I'm usually in shorts in the top. The first day I might not be. I might just be in like a long sleeve shirt with shorts or something like that. But I'm going to dress probably a little bit warmer the first day, the first sea day. Also, I make sure I pack a warm outfit for when I get back, because it's probably going to be chilly when I get off the ship that morning. I also take a swimsuit and a cover up, and also take some comfortable shoes, because I just don't do fancy shoes anymore. I've gotten to the age that I just want to be comfortable. But your trip, your way of dressing, that's what I like to tell everybody. It's your trip. Make sure that you dress the way you want to dress. It's your vacation, so make it yours. So those are some things that I'm packing for this cruise. Let's go over to Mimi's house and let's see what she's packing. I'm sure we're in for a treat.
Hello, I'm Mimi, and I'm packing for my cruise. First, you know, as an older person, we have lots of meds, so don't forget to take all your meds with you, okay? Also, you will need comfortable shoes, and in the daytime, you might need some of these because they'll be comfortable, and take some socks to go with them, because you'll need socks for your feet so you won't get blisters. And then at night, you can have these old lady shoes to walk around in. And they're very comfortable. See, they're soft and light, but they are old lady shoes. Okay, then you want to be sexy on your cruise, because you know there's a lot of men on the cruise that might not have anybody with them. This is cute. Cute little shorties, little jammies. See, these are the little pants that go with them. See, they would like that. And then, if you really want to get sexy, look at this. Now, this will turn somebody on. Be sure to take something nice and sexy. And then be sure everything you got rolls, because you don't want to be carrying anything around. See, this is easy to get around. So have your rolling cot with you. And then you won't have to worry about standing in line holding something. That's very easy. And these are some of the things I'm packing for my cruise. So I hope you will pack some of these things too, because you're going to need some of these. So I'll see you on the cruise.
Y'all, she's a trip, isn't she? Who doesn't love having a cool 80-year-old mom like that? She is so funny. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there is a way for you to get a downloadable copy of my packing list. And it is in the description of this video. There is a link, and it is a Google document. And you just click on that link, and there it is. We hope that you've enjoyed this video. We are going to have a great time on our girls' trip on the Carnival Sunshine. And if you'd like to see more videos from us from Journey with the Gingers, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when the next video is published. And as we always say, please enjoy life, be safe, and don't forget to journey on.